refers to discrimination of races designed one race to be more superior to the other races. For America, it began with African American men were forced to labor while women were either sold if not abused. To put it lightly, white American treated African American as dirt. That was the epitome of white Americans racism, treating people unfairly because they are black. You may ask him, what way do we Filipinos become racist when we cannot really treat black people indifferently? When we are different colored skin people, this question is common not because of the truth that we hardly ever say anything racist because we build upon it. The jokes we would find funny back in elementary school. To us, being anything but fair skin means weakness, poverty, which is weird, especially since we are Filipinos are not fairly skinned in nature. We immediately associate someone with morena or dark skin as someone we should laugh at and not consider beautiful. However, with the innovation in technology and advancement in studies about almost everything and anything, we must come up with realistic and feasible answer to the countries given the world social issues. And one of those is to end racism. As member of society, these social issues affect us in a way we might be informed about. It's our responsibility to educate ourselves on the issue that world has and be the catalyst of change that the world needs. It is a high time we make change. Action needs to be taken to avoid generalization to repeating the same mistakes in the past because history is bound to repeat itself if the social issues are not fixed right away. Racial conflicts need to be resolved with patience, love, understanding, while peace and prosperity need to be spread about in the world. Remember, racism will not be solved with cruel action and harsh words, but patience, decency, and manners will be the tool to mitigate the problem. Life is short, but remember that there is always time for courtesy.